Ladies, what if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient could brighten your skin, fade dark spots, and give you that natural glow you've been craving? Today, we're uncovering the truth about coconut oil for skin whitening, and I'll share 5 powerful DIY recipes that actually work. Millions of women worldwide are searching for natural, safe alternatives to expensive skin lightening treatments. But here's the truth. Coconut oil doesn't actually whiten skin in the traditional sense. Instead, it brightens and evens out your complexion naturally. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in skincare routines, especially in tropical countries where it's readily available. The key difference lies in understanding skin whitening versus brightening. Skin whitening aims to dramatically lighten skin tone using harsh chemicals, while skin brightening focuses on evening skin tone, reducing dark spots, and enhancing natural radiance. Coconut oil falls squarely into the brightening category, working to improve your skin's appearance without dangerous chemical bleaching agents. Let's dive into the science behind coconut oil's brightening power. Coconut oil is made up of about 90% saturated triglycerides with medium-chain fatty acids. The key components that make it effective for skin brightening include nearly half lauric acid, almost 1/5 myristic acid, and about 1/10 caprylic acid. This powerhouse combination is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants that protect against free radical damage. Plus, it contains ferulic acid and p-coumaric acid, which add even more antioxidant properties. How exactly does coconut oil work for skin brightening? First, it reduces hyperpigmentation. The anti-inflammatory properties help fade dark spots caused by acne scars, sun damage, or inflammation. This is especially effective for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from minor skin injuries. Next, deep moisturization coconut oil prevents water loss, keeping skin plump and healthy looking. Studies show coconut oil can improve skin moisture by 100% after just 2 weeks of use. Coconut oil also offers antioxidant protection. Vitamin E and polyphenols neutralize free radicals that cause skin damage and premature aging. These antioxidants work overtime to shield your skin from environmental stressors. When combined with natural ingredients like sugar, coconut oil provides gentle exfoliation, helping to remove dead skin cells that can make skin appear dull. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory effects, which reduce redness and inflammation that can lead to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, creating an optimal environment for skin healing. Now, let's debunk one of the biggest myths. Does coconut oil darken skin? The answer is no. There's no solid scientific evidence suggesting that coconut oil inherently darkens skin. In fact, studies have shown no significant darkening when coconut oil is applied as instructed. Sometimes, coconut oil can attract dirt or pollutants if not washed off properly, which might give a temporary darkened appearance, but this is superficial and not a real pigment change. Also, while coconut oil provides mild UV protection, it should never replace proper sunscreen. So who should use coconut oil, and who should avoid it? Coconut oil is ideal for dry to normal skin types, as it provides excellent moisture without overwhelming the skin. It's also a gentle alternative for sensitive skin, and works well for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. If you're seeking natural alternatives and want to avoid synthetic chemicals or harsh bleaching agents, coconut oil is a great choice. But if you have oily or acne-prone skin, listen up. Coconut oil has a high comedogenic rating, which means it can seriously clog pores and make acne worse. It's also not recommended for those prone to blackheads or whiteheads, or for anyone with a coconut allergy, so always patch test first. Not all coconut oils are created equal. For skincare, always choose virgin or extra virgin coconut oil that is cold-pressed and unrefined. Avoid refined coconut oil as it loses many of its beneficial compounds during processing. Look for 100% pure, organic, unrefined coconut oil that's solid at room temperature and melts when warmed. Ready for some powerful DIY recipes? Here are 5 easy treatments you can make at home for natural skin brightening. Recipe 1. Basic coconut oil treatment. Take 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil, warm it between your palms until liquid, and apply to clean skin in circular motions. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or overnight, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use 3 to 4 times per week. Recipe 2. Coconut oil and turmeric brightening mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with a pinch of turmeric powder to form a paste. Apply to your face, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask combines anti-inflammatory and brightening effects. Recipe 3. Coconut oil and honey hydrating mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This delivers deep hydration and antibacterial benefits. Recipe 4. Coconut Oil Sugar Scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to form a scrub. Gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use once weekly for gentle exfoliation. Recipe 5. Coconut Oil and Lemon Brightening Treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with a few drops of fresh lemon juice and, optionally, 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply only to dark spots, never the full face due to lemon sensitivity. Leave for 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and always use sunscreen after this treatment. For best results, always start with clean skin. Warm the oil between your palms before applying, and use thin layers. A little goes a long way. Evening application is best to avoid sun sensitivity, and always follow with sunscreen if applied during the day. Be consistent. Start with 2 to 3 times per week and increase gradually if your skin tolerates it. Consistent use for 4 to 6 weeks is needed to see results. Now let's talk about safety and common mistakes. Avoid using coconut oil on oily or acne-prone skin, and don't apply too much product. Always patch test first, and remember, results won't be overnight. Use virgin, not refined coconut oil, and never apply before sun exposure without sunscreen. Coconut oil only provides minimal SPF, so the American Academy of Dermatology recommends using SPF 30 or higher. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before use. What can you realistically expect? In the first 1 to 2 weeks, you'll notice improved skin hydration and softness. By weeks 3 to 4, minor dark spots will begin to fade. After 6 to 8 weeks, you'll see more noticeable improvement in skin tone evenness. 3 months or more of consistent use brings maximum benefits. Expect smoother, more hydrated skin, subtle brightening, gradual fading of post-inflammatory dark spots, enhanced natural glow, and a more even skin tone. When should you see a dermatologist? If you have persistent melasma or severe hyperpigmentation, if dark spots don't improve after 3 months of consistent use, if you experience allergic reactions, or if you have underlying skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, consult a professional. For faster, more dramatic results, dermatologists can offer chemical peels, laser treatments, or prescription lightening creams. Let's address some common questions. Does coconut oil darken skin? Absolutely not. Any perceived darkening is usually from not washing off properly or sun exposure without sunscreen. How long does it take to work? Minor improvements show in 2 to 4 weeks, while significant changes need 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Can I use it if I have acne? Not recommended for active acne due to the high comedogenic rating. However, it may help with post-acne dark spots once acne is cleared. Is it better than commercial lightening products? It's gentler and more natural, but results are slower compared to chemical lighteners. It's much safer for long-term use and more affordable. The bottom line, coconut oil can be an excellent addition to your natural skincare routine if you have the right skin type and realistic expectations. It doesn't dramatically whiten skin, but it does brighten and even out your complexion through deep moisturization, anti-inflammatory action, and antioxidant protection. Remember, coconut oil is most effective for dry to normal skin types and works best on post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation rather than deep melasma or age spots. The key is consistency. Use it regularly for at least 6 to 8 weeks to see meaningful results. Always pair it with proper sunscreen during the day. And don't hesitate to consult a dermatologist for stubborn pigmentation issues. The most beautiful skin is healthy skin, and when used correctly, coconut oil can help you achieve that natural, radiant glow you've been seeking, safely and naturally. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Stay glowing, ladies. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite DIY recipe, and subscribe for more glowing skin secrets. Join our community of beauty enthusiasts and never miss a tip. See you in the next video.